Want to play Roblox in your phone but don't know how to download it? Hi everyone, welcome back to my Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to download Roblox in mobile. So without any further ado, let's get started. Begin by opening Play Store. If you have iOS device, open App Store. At the bottom right corner of your screen, there is search button. Click on it. Now tap on the search bar and type Roblox. Then tap on Roblox game. Next, click on the install button. I'm fast forwarding this section as it might take some time. Now Roblox has been installed in your phone. You can start to play by tapping on the play button. And that's how you can download Roblox in mobile. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.